Welcome to this guided meditation with me, Donna McCallum, and thank you for gifting yourself with this session. Get comfortable, whatever that means for you. No effort required, just ease. Simply relax. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Gently close your eyes. And with your eyes closed, bring your awareness inward. Your awareness focused on the breath as you breathe deeply and slowly and consciously in and out. Noticing how the breath brings a feeling of calm and relaxation and rejuvenation as it flows in and out of your body. Notice the inhale, notice the exhale, and slightly lengthen and deepen them both. And as your awareness is turned inward, notice that it is tuned into your body, into your mind, and into your soul, rather than the external sensation that we spend most of our life experiencing. I invite you to sense into the deep rest, the deep integration, and the calming for your nervous system that meditating, relaxing, and turning inward brings. I invite you now to become aware of your root chakra. This beautiful, warm, red color at the base of your body. And imagine a square. In this root chakra area, this square forming the foundation for all of the other chakras. It creates the grounding, the rooting, the being in the physical of this material plane. And as you imagine this warm red color warming up the base of your body, you're balancing and activating this root chakra area. Now I invite you to feel into your sacral chakra and imagine a beautiful bowl that's in your groin area between your hips. And in that bowl is a beautiful swirling viscous honey. The sweetness of the sacral chakra, the pleasure, the joy of the sacral chakra. And as you sense into it and feel into the beautiful orange and the honey sweetness of this energy center, I invite you to connect into the movement and fluidity of the center by doing some small hip circles, slow undulations round and round of your body and your hips, small circles. This is the movement of the sacral chakra, pleasure of the sacral chakra. And by imagining the orange and doing these hip circles, you bring balance and activation to this energy center. Now bringing your awareness to your solar plexus, which is just above your belly button, and imagine that there's a beautiful warm sun in your solar plexus, and it's radiating its energy all around you. And outside of you, it radiates your natural, relaxed power, your energy, your vitality, your aliveness, your action taking in the world. Feel the beautiful warmth of the sun on your solar plexus, and feel the power of that warmth, the fire. And by imagining this yellow and the warmth of the sun in this area, you are balancing and activating this energy center. Now bringing your awareness to your heart chakra, beautiful green in your heart area, your chest area, the front and the back. And allow the feelings of love, connection, compassion for yourself and others, forgiveness for yourself and others. Notice that energy in this beautiful emerald green in your chest cavity. And I invite you to notice if there is any tension or feelings of hardness, brittleness, tightness or contraction in this area. And if there is, it's absolutely normal. I invite you to bring your awareness into this area and allow a softening, a gentleness, a kindness for your heart. And that beautiful green color washing through this whole area with a softness and a gentleness, bringing balance and activating this area. And now bringing your awareness to the beautiful blue chakra that is your throat chakra. Your ability to speak, to be heard, to listen, to contribute, to give your gifts to the world through your creativity. Notice this beautiful, vibrant blue. And I invite you to very gently and slowly begin to hum. Hum. And as you do that, notice the vibration and the resonance moving through the whole of this blue chakra, bringing with it a balancing and an activation. And when it feels complete, you can stop the humming and then bring your awareness to your third eye. That spot on your forehead, just above your eyes, between your eyebrows. And imagine the beautiful, deep, dark indigo color. It's a dark bluey purple. And as you feel into that area, you may notice that your eyes begin to look up into that chakra, the chakra of your intuition, connection to spirit, your imagination, your intellect, the place where spirit comes through through your deep intuition, imagining this beautiful indigo chakra as an eye, your third eye, that has the ultimate divine perception. And just placing your awareness here and imagining that beautiful indigo color in this area balances and activates and opens this chakra. And now bringing your awareness to the top of your head, your crown chakra, violet, a light purple color at the top of your head, which is your connection to spirit, connection to the divine, your faith and trust connection. And your connection to universal wisdom. And imagine that this chakra is like a lotus with petals, many petals, opening out from the top of your head, opening up to receive universal wisdom, universal guidance, universal support. This beautiful opening, this violet color at the top of your head. And just having your awareness there brings a balancing, an activation, and an opening. Now I invite you to bring into your awareness all 7 of the chakras at the same time. From root through to crown, and crown through to root. This beautiful rainbow bridge. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet. This rainbow bridge that connects you to abundance. It connects you from the root chakra, the physical plane, right through to the spiritual at the crown, and from the crown chakra spiritual plane right back down into the physical reality of the root chakra, in an incredible energy of liberation and manifestation. Liberation is from root to crown. Manifestation is the energy movement from crown back down to earth. And the cycle moves consistently, continuously through liberation, manifestation, liberation, back and forth, across the rainbow bridge. This very abundant rainbow you. And now, very slowly and gently, I'm going to count back from 10 to 1. And as I do, you'll find your energy and awareness returning back into the room that you're in. And you'll carry with you your balanced and activated chakras, this beautiful rainbow bridge to connect you to more abundance. Through today, this week, this month, and this year. 10, 9, 8, becoming slowly present. 7, 6, begin turning your awareness outward. 5, 4, noticing the sounds around you, the external noises. 3, 2, 1, blink your eyes together and very slowly and gently open your eyes. And then notice the external world around you. What are you seeing? What are you hearing? What are you smelling? What are you tasting? What are you feeling? Very slowly and gently bring yourself back into the external world. Welcome back. Please share this meditation so that its energy ripples out to the people that you love. And you can find many more resources and tools for your manifesting money and magic on my website, donnamccallum.com. Wishing you a fun and magical day.